So first of all, you need 4 players and a tennis ball to play this game. Each player goes into their separate numbered from 1 to 4 square. The player which their square numbered 1 starts the game. He bounces the ball 1 time in his square, then passes the ball on to another player. If a player passes the ball outside the square, the player who passed the ball is eliminated and the game starts over, meanwhile changing positions by 1. If you hit a player mid-air with the ball, the player hit with the ball is eliminated. If the ball hits the line, it qualifies as out, resulting the player who passed the ball is eliminated. You can also step out of the square to hit the ball. The only rule at passing the ball is that you need to pass it palms up and that you can touch the ball only once.